ASTS presents a new wine analyzing system, SpectraWine. This innovative system, based on the unique approach in UV, VIS, NIR spectroscopy technology, will be used by wineries during the winemaking period, including the following components: the device, pre-made chemicals supplied by ASTS, software for the tablet computer connected to the device, and software on ASTS's computer server. The next simple steps will show principles of the SpectraWine working process. Step 1. The winery orders and then receives chemical supplies. The chemical reagents are supplied in sealed deep well plates. Chemical reagents can be stored on-site in a fridge or freezer depending on type. Step 2. When time comes to have a wine sample tested, a winery's enologist should dilute the wine sample using water dispenser and mix diluted wine sample with chemicals from deep well plate. Step 3. Move the mix of wine and chemicals from deep well plates to cuvee. Turn the device and attach tablet computer in the on position. Insert the cuvee in the device, click Go on the tablet's touch screen, and get your results on the screen or sent by email. SpectraWine allows the winemaker to get consistent and accurate test results within minutes. SpectraWine software will organize your test results by date and wine tank, keep historical test results, and print or send email with test statements. Usually, the winery performs hundreds of chemical tests during the winemaking process to control quality and consistency of final product, the wine. Using SpectraWine System Winery can make the following tests in-house. An additional 55 parameters can be developed per request. In order to understand the advantages of the SpectraWine innovative system, it suffices to compare it with 3 existing wine testing methods: wet chemistry, traditional chemical tests by independent labs, single wavelength photometers by Hanna or Milwaukee, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy by Foss or Brucker. Compared to other wine testing systems, SpectraWine makes the wine testing process quick and simple. Using SpectraWine, you save on labor, equipment, and chemical supplies. It requires only basic knowledge of using chemical lab tools. There are obvious advantages of SpectraWine in comparison with third-party testing: in-house testing, low cost of testing, test results within minutes, low quantity of wine used as a sample, 10 milliliters instead of 0.3 liters, and confidentiality. Winemaking recipe is a sort of intellectual property and can be stolen. Keeping the testing process in-house gives the winemaker better control of his IP. SpectraWine has a number of significant benefits over Hanna-style single wavelength photometer: higher accuracy and consistency of testing results, wider range of available testing parameters, and single benchtop device. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy by Foss or Brucker uses similar spectroscopy technology as SpectraWine. However, our wine analyzing system, SpectraWine, guarantees high accuracy and consistency of testing results, has a wider variety of testing options, does not require any system calibration nor database, and no designated testing area is required. It's an innovative system based on the unique approach in UV, VIS, NIR spectroscopy technology. SpectraWine by ASTS allows you to test wines in the comfort of your own lab, get results in a few minutes with no sample spoiled on delivery, and the best of all, it's at half price. ASTS is offering a 50% discount on your current bill on testing. Wine Analyzing System SpectraWine by ASTS. Consistency, accuracy, and savings.